Hello guys and welcome back. So today we are going to talk on the topic of Ansible templates. So this is another important topic in Ansible scripting, which we frequently use for our customizing our code and reducing idempotency so that we don't need to code reusable and we can reuse the code for many tasks that are repetitive. So again, just a reminder that if you have directly jumped onto this video, you can go back to my Ansible playlist and watch the previous videos to have a better understanding of what is going on and what is exactly happening inside the Ansible. So let's begin. So what are exactly templates? So just the word suggests that a template might be something that can be reused. That is, it's a base of something we script upon so that we can reuse that thing again and again to perform activities. So similarly, in templates, we use templates in Ansible. So those are in Jinja2 font format and Jinja2 syntax. So what is Jinja2? I have explained in brief in my previous lecture, so you can go ahead and watch. So what happens is we use templates for repeating the task that we need to perform, and these templates can be filled with variables during the playbook execution. So whatever variables we have defined during our play can be filled inside the template. Thus, we can customize the template according to our own needs. So that's the major example for why we use templates. That we can customize files per host, per environments, or per service. So it's pretty handy for us if we want to manage our Ansible scripts very efficiently. So let's see an example immediately and you will have a much better understanding. So here is a config template example. That is, I have a Nginx configuration file. So inside it, you can see that there is a port that we have to mention and the server name. Now this server name can be multiple servers. We like, for example, I have 10 web servers, and on these all web servers, I want to copy the configuration file. So it's not feasible that I go to every host or I script for every host. I script a custom task. So and it goes on and copies the file from one destination to another. So instead, this is a standard naming format for templates that we use the custom name .conf.j2. That j2 is the extension of Jinja2. So you can see in the playbook example that I want to deploy the Nginx configuration. So I have mentioned the variables, that is what is the port that is going to be used and what is the application port that is going to be used. So Nginx port is 80 and application port is 3000. Now I want to copy this Nginx configuration file on every host that is labeled with web. That is, all the web servers should have this configuration file deployed on it. So this is a standard format of how a template is being used. So template is yet another module that we can use to copy this template file for every host that goes through this Ansible tasks that are being run. So under all the web servers that are mentioned in the configuration file, so it will start using the template that is mentioned. So we have to mention the source, that is the SRC. So that will be the name of the template file and the destination. So where this template file should get copied. So you can see that this will pick up the template from nginx.conf.j2, and whatever dynamic data is present, that is the Nginx port, Ansible hostname, and the app port that needs to be present inside the template file, that is the configuration file, that will be picked up during the playbook execution. So 80 will go over here, 3000 will go over here, and Ansible hostname will be picked up by which host is is currently running through the task. So by using this, this source file can be directly copied on the destination file. So that's a pretty hope you understand the um, like importance of why templates are being used in Ansible. So it makes a code very robust and reusable for us, and you can use it to simplify your day-to-day tasks of instead of manual tasks. So some key notes again for templates that you have to keep into picture. So it's very much recommended that we use the J2 extension, that is the Jinja2 extension, to keep things clear. And we have to store these templates like under our playbook directory, that is a Ansible directory from where we are running the playbooks. So all the templates should compulsory be present under the templates folder So our code will by default go to the templates folder to check the template that has been created, the custom template that we have created for our execution. So we should place that file under the templates folder. And this is a good practice that before running any of Ansible playbook which contains templates, that we run first inside under Ansible playbook check mode before applying. So just for validating that all fields and files are present and they are correct, and there are no errors that will take place during execution of the playbook. So these are the key notes. Yeah, and that's all for this lecture. And in the next lecture, that will be our last theoretical topic for our course. We will learn about roles and collections. Thank you.